Have you considered harnessing the power of podcasting for your business? PodTopics Chattanooga offers an innovative platform and the kind of expertise that can seamlessly assist your business to further your brand awareness, highlight your specific offerings, and share thought leadership from your company through podcasting. Our PodTopics Chattanooga team has extensive experience in working with clients as a plug-and-play to develop budget-friendly programming which explores the topics that matter most to the audiences you're trying to reach. We're dedicated to delivering high-quality productions for our clients. At PodTopics Chattanooga, we walk with you every step of the way. Our services include working with you on the initial concept and assisting in the overall planning of your podcast. We are experts in editing recorded content, providing you with the final production that's designed to engage your target audience. PodTopics Chattanooga also offers podcast hosting, as well as distribution on all the mainstream podcast platforms as part of our comprehensive services. If you are ready to explore what can be possible when you unleash the power of podcasting for your business, we invite you to connect with PodTopics Chattanooga.